Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave your girl a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now guys, we're on another juice recipe. Really quick and simple. Good for your immune system. Gonna clean and build you. Good for your gut health. Gonna give you energy. Good for digestion. Good for to detox and a weight loss smoothie or drink. You can strain it either or, alright? So today we're gonna make some pineapple, celery, and apple. Alright, with a little ginger and lemon juice. Okay? So we have some frozen pineapple here, about a cup and a little bit. Let me taste some of that. And we have one apple here, guys. Use any apple of your choice. And about 3 celery sticks. Some lemon juice, about a tablespoon. 1 seed gone in there. See if we can fresh out this seed, guys. Where is it? Because I'm not gonna strain. Alright guys, we're gonna pour some ginger. And we're gonna put about 1.5 cups of water. And we're gonna blend. You can strain it, yes or not. Okay guys, it's up to you. Alright guys, that's it. And guys, as I said, you can strain it if you like. Alright, try to get closer. And look at this goodness, guys. You can drink it anytime. Alright, I'm gonna have my son to taste it. This one don't look too bad because of pineapple in it. Alright guys, and that's it. If it's settled, just mix and drink. Alright, love upon me and I love upon you. Alright guys, my son is gonna taste this one. You have to drink half of it before you taste it.
I just tasted it. I drank like half the cup already. It tastes really good. It tastes like it goes down smooth. You taste a lot of the pineapple because the pineapple has a dominant taste. But you can also taste everything else. It's really good. Me personally, or you could just, if you want it to be a little bit sweeter, you could add honey.
Maybe a tablespoon of honey or so.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the whole thing, not
Alright guys, so that's it. My son said if you like it sweet, add some honey. If not, you can drink it as is. Good weight loss detox juice. Alright, gonna clean your gut. Good gut health, good for your digestive system. Add lots of vitamins and
it gives you a lot of energy. I feel like it helps your mood because I just woke up and I already feel, was it rejuvenated?
Yeah, so okay, it's gotta clean and build your body. All right, good for your immune system, vitalize, energize, good for your mood swing, my son said. All right guys, have a good day. Bye guys.